In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off background apps on the Windows 11. So first of all, all you need to do just go and open whatever PC you're going to use that's of course containing Windows 11. If you have that already, that will be great. But if you don't, if you have just Windows 10, you can just go to your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11 for free. And of course, you can even start the download on the background of your PC while you are using your PC without any problem. It might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem. And of course, once everything is downloaded, you will be notified to reboot or to restart your PC. When you do that, you'll find yourself with the Windows 11, and of course, you'll have even a recovery option or point, so you can go back to your Windows 10 if you wish to. So, as we said, we would like to turn off the background apps on the Windows 11. So if you want to do that, simply you can just go to this taskbar and right click on it and make sure to click at Task Manager. That will normally open this for you. And now you would like to see here your apps that is currently working and even the background processes, as you can see. Of course, if you saw an app that you wouldn't like to have it on, you can just right click on it, as an example this one, and click at End Task. Of course, more efficient way is to go into this option of the startup apps. And of course from here, you'll be able to disable whatever app you don't want to have it already opened when you open your PC, and of course it will not run in the background and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.